Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy overcast skies currently across the area. I'm seeing some southeasterly winds, and we do have some mild temperatures out there. Currently seeing temperatures around 62 degrees. Our highs today will be in the mid-60s. Should see around 65 to 66 degrees here at Wallops today. We'll have some slightly breezy southeasterly winds this afternoon, possibly gusting to 23 to 24 knots, so just under our wind advisory criteria, 25 knots. So overall for today, you're going to see a fair day in general, other than the slightly gusty southeasterly winds. We'll see no chance of precipitation or lightning today. And we'll have a cold front moving through for the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. That's going to give us a chance of some showers early pre-dawn hours into the dawn hours for tomorrow. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 12,400 feet. Our southeasterly winds and low levels quite strong at 25 knots at 1,000 feet, and decreasing out of the southeast around 15 knots at 3,000, and we switch out of the southwest above that and only increasing up to 39 knots and become more westerly at 20,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have a warm front off to our south, high pressure off to our north and to our northeast. This warm front will be moving through for today, and that'll give us those slightly breezy southeasterly winds. Once this does move through, we'll see winds turn more southwesterly for tomorrow morning ahead of that cold front, and we'll see some mild temperatures overnight with that warmer air mass in place. This cold front currently across the Midwest into the western portions of the Tennessee and Ohio Valley will be moving towards our region for tomorrow morning, and should move through the area by early afternoon tomorrow, giving us those chances of some showers. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cloud cover across the region currently, around 3,500 feet. That's going to be the case throughout much of the day today. We'll see ceilings between about 3,000 to 5,000 feet with the cloud cover across the region associated with this warm front moving through the area today. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see primarily just cloudy skies. I should see the lower level cloud cover start to move off to the north and east later this afternoon, and could see a period of some partly cloudy skies for the late afternoon into the early evening hours. And then for our overnight hours, we'll see clouds start to move back in the region, especially in the mid and upper levels across the area. And the HRRR does indicate we could have a shower tomorrow morning, right around 6 a.m. into about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. But it does show as well this front kind of not moving through as quickly as other models are showing, and a possibility of a shower lingering into the evening hours. That looks like a slight chance of that occurring, and not expecting this for tomorrow, but it is something the HRRR is picking up on for tomorrow evening. And taking a look at the European model the next few days here, cold front moves through tomorrow morning, gives us a chance of showers, and then for the afternoon to evening hours, should see that sag off to the south. As I mentioned before, the European does not show those showers lingering into the evening hours, so HRRR a bit of an outlier on that run there. Moving into our Wednesday, we'll see high pressure building in general, fair conditions. Thursday, much the same, high pressure over New England. We'll have more onshore flow on Thursday. And then we'll start to see another warm front move through on Friday with that area high pressure moving off the coast. And we'll see our next cold front move through on Saturday. It looks like we should see some showers and a possible thunderstorm moving through with that system. A fairly strong cold front moving through the area on Saturday. Some warmer conditions across the region ahead of that cold front on Saturday. And then we see our temperatures cool down for Sunday with a chillier area high pressure building in for the second half of the weekend. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see green chart for our precipitation for today. That chance of a shower comes in after 4 local on Tuesday morning. We'll see our chances of winds at a greater than 25 knots, about a 20% chance with a yellow here of winds above that or equal to 25 knots. Expecting gusts around 23 to 24 knots for this afternoon and evening hours. Then winds do die down as that warm front lifts north of the area. Cold front starts to approach. We'll have southwesterly winds overnight and around 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. Our highs today will be in the mid-60s, I mentioned, a high around 66 degrees. Low tonight of only 60 degrees. It's about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year, so a mild night in store across the region. And for our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see ceilings around 3,500 feet to 5,000 feet throughout the day today. And as well, we'll see those winds gusting around 24 knots out of the southeast. So in general, just seeing those VFR conditions today with ceilings above 3,000 feet. For overnight, we'll see that chance of a shower moving in. Here at the TAF, we have after 5 local until about 8 local tomorrow morning. Our tides are running normal this time, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly cloudy, overcast, chance of showers in the morning, and early afternoon to be warm, with a high of 78 degrees. Expecting that cold front to move south of the region, and with those shower chances ending by early afternoon, with the sun coming out as well in the mid to late afternoon, and giving us that high in the upper 70s. For Tuesday, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies. Tuesday night, a low of 57. And for Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, slightly breezy onshore flow, and a high of 70 degrees. Green charts for Tuesday night into Wednesday. Look at the next 7 days. We'll see that warm high on Tuesday at 78 and the low 70s on Wednesday. And temperatures in the upper 60s on Thursday. High pressure in control, lots of sunshine. And for Friday, we see more cloudiness with that warm front starting to move through the region. Not going to see precipitation with that, just a bit more cloud cover, and a high around 70. And then for Saturday, we'll see that prefrontal surge of warm air, a high of 75 degrees for Saturday, 50% chance of some showers, and a chance of an isolated thunderstorm. And for Sunday, we'll see mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 60s, so it looks like a good second half of the weekend in store. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.